testing. Every great product begins with a single discarded bottle. Inside this advanced recycling facility, thousands of numbers. Artificial intelligence examines every bottle in milliseconds, identifying recyclable material with exceptional accuracy. Before the bottles can be washed and recycled, every cap and every label moved with absolute precision. Deep cleaning is one of the most important stages of the recycling process. High-pressure washing and intelligent filtration remove
price. Once every bottle is perfectly clean and dry, advanced shredding technology reduces it into uniform PET.
Inside the heart of the recycling facility, purified PET flakes are transformed into high-quality molten polymer. These ultra-fine polyester filaments are created with incredible precision. Every strand is stretched, cooled, and thousands of ultra-fine, recycled polyester threads are woven together with remarkable precision. Intelligent weaving technology Advanced dyeing and finishing technology gives recycled polyester fabric its vibrant color, smooth texture, and premium performance. Every section of recycled polyester fabric is scanned by advanced artificial intelligence before cutting begins. Thousands of precision stitches transform recycled polyester fabric into premium jackets. Every seam is assembled under intelligent robotic and symbiote. Every recycled jacket undergoes rigorous AI-powered inspection before final finishing. Precision singles. After passing every quality inspection, each premium recycled jacket is folded, packaged, and sealed robotic system. Stakeless. From discarded plastic bottles to premium luxury jackets, the journey ends here. Intelligent automation prepares What began as everyday plastic waste has become a symbol of innovation and sustainability.